MDMA, otherwise known as ecstasy. Primary effects include euphoria, empathy, and an appreciation of the repetitive rhythms of dance music. Its initial adoption by the dance club subculture is probably due to the enhancement of the dancing experience. Pupil dilation, loss of appetite, jaw clenching, dry mouth, hot and cold flashes, short-term memory impairment, muscle spasms, vomiting and anxiety, sometimes for days after using ecstasy. Ecstasy, 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 ecstasy.